Hey man, it's your boy AD. Listen, RDB. Shout out to my guy Vic, man. When I say over exceeded expectations, and it's crazy because this wasn't even the first color that we picked. They didn't have the color, but this color was way better.
Yep.
And when he sent me a preview of this, it looked a little bit lighter, and I was like, I still was excited.
Yeah.
This is dope though. He said he wanted to make it like a spaceship.
Yeah.
He really made it like a spaceship. I didn't even
order.
think about having like all the black
yeah.
on there. That's fire.
Those are the design ideas you gotta implement. Leave some black in the right areas.
Keeping the chrome on there.
And you got your little Mercedes star. Some people wrap that black, but that looks tight.
This is cold, man.
Yeah.
And listen, and I tell people all the time, they don't just do wraps, bro. If somebody breaks into your car, they can fix your window.
Yeah.
You get a little fender bender, come over here. You feel me? When they ask you, the insurance people, where do you want to take your car? Bring it over here. You may get a wrap. They may want your to look better, bro.
I'm gonna give you an officer, man. You do
give me an office. I'm gonna do that.
Better than all these dudes.
What up,
out
G?
there, man.
How you doing, man? Give me an office, bro. I'm really gonna come over here. Watch. I'm gonna be on the street with a sign, and you know what I'm saying, and get cracking. But nah, like I said, bro, really appreciate this.
Enjoy it.
Overly excited. I can't wait to go to the nightclubs. You know what I mean?
The spaceship.
Got me a nice little. You know what I mean? Sleek. It feels crazy.
With that white interior, like gray with the white interior.
Yeah, let's show the interior, man.
This is the city edition, one of 150.
One of 150. It came with a scooter, believe it or not. A Yanagmi scooter. An 18, 20 mile per hour scooter.
It's like a $5 interior. It's so like luxurious. It's nice. It's sick.
Yeah. Oh, you did the door handles. Oh yeah, that's cool. Oh. And look, this is another thing. They don't steal. I had my hat up in there, and the hat is still there. They didn't even touch it. It's in the same place that it was. You feel me? Oh my God. Look, my son's toy. It's still in there.
If I saw that, I would have taken that.
You would have taken that one? This is cold.
Sick.
Wow.
Enjoy it, man.
RDB LA, man, it's your boy AD, yeah.
This car came in on a tow truck. Look at the right front tire. Okay, so this thing has an alignment issue. We're gonna show you why. See all the metal stuff here coming out already. Everywhere, right there in particular. So yeah, we have a brand new tire. We're gonna put a new tire on, and that's about it for this one. Nothing much for this. So just one new tire. Now I gotta lose weight. Woo! Smells like $1 million. I'll tell you that much. This thing's nice, man. Very nice. This is a car. If I was rich,
you'd buy it?
I would buy it just to be driven around.
Yeah, the back is like, I think what most people get it for too.
Yeah, very, very nice. Really nice. So much for my dreams. My hopes and dreams are done. Okay. One day. One day.
Please, if you tell me that again.
One more time.
If you tell me that again one more time, I swear to God.
How you call me? Okay. If you tell me
that
I'm gonna kick your candy ass.
I gonna kick your candy fat stomach.
Okay, give me stomach, please. Gotta finish.
I told you, man. Ese vato, man. He's burning me alive. Okay, guys, we are on Friday now, and we are celebrating a new weekend, right?
Yeah, Memorial Day weekend.
Memorial Day.
And then we have a Monday, Memorial Day.
Yeah.
So we hope everybody enjoy it. If you drink, don't drive. If you drive, don't drink. Find somebody to drive for you. This is, I'd say, okay. Hey, don't tell me again, okay?
Behind me we have a G550 Mercedes-Benz that we wrapped. However, she unfortunately gave her car to a friend. Friend crashed. The entire right side of it is demolished. This side of it doesn't really have anything except for that wheel like that, but the right side is completely demolished. This one, because of the G550, the value is about a 130 car, and the insurance company wants to total this out. So this car, sadly, is going to probably go to an auction yard. Customer is going to get paid out from insurance, but the customer no longer is going to have this vehicle.
That's the new one?
Yep,
What are we doing, Havik?
we're replacing the hub and bearing.
Like he said, we're replacing the left front hub and bearing on this Corvette. Also, Javier is very, very sore today. He has a, he slept wrong. I don't know what happened. I think he's got to go to Macy's and buy pillows.
He needs a massage.
He needs a massage, yeah. So, you know, we got to take care of Havik. Anyway, this Corvette will be done pretty fast. We're going to test drive it, make sure it's okay. And that's it for this one.
All right, we're in the back of the body shop. Might be a little bit loud over here, but we are standing in the bay that we kind of do all the sanding and polishing. And right here we have the Urban Automotive Land Rover Defender body kit, the wide track. So as you can see, this is part of the fender right here. It's wider, really nice, clean. And now it's painted in that beautiful body color in gloss black. Got a little dusty, but again, this is not sanded or polished, and it has like a mirror-like finish. We got more flares, more rear bumper parts. We have one miscellaneous G-Wagon carbon fiber flare over there for that craziness contraption over there. We're gonna be showing that off soon, so don't worry about it. But yeah, we got a lot of excitement on the Urban Defender, so we're gonna get this all ready for you guys and show you what it looks like.
My favorite everyday car. Everyday car, very comfortable, very nice, stylish. This thing is a beast. Sounds good, looks good. This car is in here. We're gonna put 24-inch wheels on it. We're gonna lower it as well. Also, we're doing a blackout. We're gonna black out the emblems. The emblems that are on the doors, we're gonna keep the Cadillac Escalade colors. So we're just gonna black out the rest of the silver on the car. So pretty much anything that's silver is gonna be black. We have black 24-inch wheels going on this thing, wrapped with Pirelli tires. Stay tuned.
Here's our employee of the month.
Yep. You guys can see John's taking off the old emblems. We're getting prepared for new ones. It's a lot of work. You know, I mean, it's small pieces, but sometimes smaller pieces take a lot of time, a lot of detail, a lot of work. So that's what we're doing right now.
I'm making sure it doesn't fall.
America.
Tomorrow, bye-bye to this area. Put a car there. I'm glad to have our little corner back because we're shipping 4 pallets to Australia. 4 sets of RDB wheels are going to a very, very special client in Australia. We were palleting it up. This is pretty much, we have to order pallets, packaging, all that stuff. Package them very, very well so there's no chance of them getting damaged. Tires are on there, sensors are on there. It's all ready to take off and put it on the car and drive off looking good. So all ready to go. These are all headed to Australia. You haven't done anything today.
You have to package me and send me to El Salvador?
I wish.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you can do that.
Okay.
Free delivery.
But a box with no holes in it. Just closed.
No. You have to leave something air.
A coffin.
Huh? Yeah, right.
Why do you twitch?
We have a RDB app in the Apple Store and the Google Store right now currently.
Really?
Yes.
Yeah, we haven't. It's been up on there for a little bit. We just haven't promoted it.
I was the first one who had it.
The app is really about bringing the community together, and then also for our customers, an easy way to hit us up. We have a forum up on the RDB app, and on the forum we have general talk. We have car brands, so people can show off their cars. We also have a car buying tips section. So if you're trying to buy a car and you're confused, if it's a good deal or good condition, whatever, you could post there. We could talk about it. So just trying to build that community, I think it'll be fun. And then, of course, you can request a service, make an appointment, live chats, that kind of stuff. So it's going to be really cool, I think. Let's see what comes of it. Moses will definitely not know how to use it.
Video, thumbs up. See you next time. Órale.